How to fix GPay app not working. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, head over to the App Store on a device. In the source bar, search for the application GPay. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the one of the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Zip. Once you find it, head over to it. Now tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.